Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Dreams are a part of our everyday lives, and sometimes they hold special meanings. Did you know that some dreams are actually messages from Allah? In Islam, certain dreams can be a sign, a blessing, or even a warning. Today, I'll explain two important types of dreams that come from Allah and what they mean. The first type of dream from Allah is what we call a good dream. These dreams are often beautiful and bring peace to your heart. You may see something wonderful like being in Jannah, or maybe you are surrounded by loved ones, or something positive and joyful happens in your dream. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, the good dream is from Allah, Sahih al-Bukhari. This kind of dream is a blessing and can bring good news. It can also be a reminder of Allah's mercy and rewards for your good deeds. If you have such a dream, it's a sign of Allah's love and mercy. When you have a good dream, you should feel grateful to Allah. You can share it with someone you trust, but remember, not everyone needs to hear your dream. The Prophet, PBUH, advised us not to share good dreams with just anyone, especially if they might feel jealous or react negatively. It's best to share them with those who will appreciate the good news and also benefit from the reminder. The second type of dream from Allah is what we call a warning dream. These dreams are not always as pleasant, but they are a sign of Allah's mercy and guidance. In a warning dream, Allah may show you something that is meant to protect you or help you avoid a mistake. It could be a reminder to stay away from something harmful or a warning about a bad habit, or it might urge you to get closer to Allah and follow His guidance. For example, you might dream of something that causes you fear or sadness, but instead of just feeling scared, think about the lesson behind the dream. Ask yourself, is this dream trying to tell me something? It could be a message to make a change in your life, improve your worship, or stay away from something that could harm you. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, said that bad dreams or warning dreams from Allah can be a mercy because Allah wants to guide us away from harm. In fact, the Prophet, PBUH, taught us to seek protection from Allah from such dreams by saying a short dua before sleeping, asking Allah to keep us safe from harm. So, what should you do when you have a dream that feels like it's from Allah? For good dreams, it's simple. Thank Allah for the blessing. Don't forget to make dua and pray for more good things in your life. You can share it with someone you trust, but keep in mind to only share it with those who will understand its importance. For warning dreams, it's important to reflect on the dream. Seek guidance from Allah through dua and make sure to pay attention to any lesson or warning Allah is sending you. Don't ignore it. Instead, take action to improve your faith, your actions, or your life based on the dream. Remember, we should always turn to Allah for protection from bad dreams or negative influences. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, taught us special supplications, duas, to say before sleeping, to protect ourselves from bad dreams and from shaitan. Dreams are a way that Allah communicates with us, whether it's a good dream or a warning. Not all dreams are from Allah, though. Some dreams come from our own minds, and others may be from shaitan, the devil. So, always stay connected to Allah through prayer, dhikr, remembrance, and reciting the Quran before you sleep. This way, you can be sure that Allah is protecting you, and you can better understand the messages in your dreams. May Allah bless us all with good dreams and protect us from anything harmful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Assalamu alaikum.